Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change Instagram username in few seconds. So you just have to open Instagram and just click on your profile. So here you can see edit profile, so tap on this. Now you have to go to the second one, username. Just click on that and change the username. So make sure the username is available and not used by others. So yeah, I'm going to use this username. So here the username is changed. So in this way you can change your username. Thanks for watching the video, and please comment down below for more contents, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.